Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a very clean 2017 Boston Whaler 345 COnquest. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, point out some of the options. If you notice here, this one does have the platinum Emron hull. Very, very sharp color. 345, this is a triple engine boat, Trip 350 Verados. But what we'll do, we'll kind of start in the front. So we've got our sun pad up here. You have GPS, chart plotter with the radar and the spotlight. This one does have the optional aft sunshade, which works out really, really nice. Goes out about 8 feet, so if it's one of those hot days, that comes in very handy. These are the white 350 Verados right here. This is also joystick piloting, so when you dock the boat, it's by joystick. Built in with the joystick is also going to be your autopilot and your skyhook. Head right over this way. So jump on in, we'll take a look at a couple more items. 345 is an awesome boat if you want to run to the Keys, run to the Bahamas, or go 100 miles offshore fishing, but it's also a great family boat. Gives you a lot of seating. Of course, you've got the safety of the Boston Whalers. Big insulated fish boxes on both sides, nice aft bed seat. This one also has your cockpit grill, which is right here. So if you want to do some cooking out or things like that, that comes in very, very handy. The biggest thing I like about the boat, besides the sheer size of it, is the enclosure all the way around, and you have a ton of protection. So we've got air conditioning up here. So with your canvas up, stays nice and cool inside here. Your passengers can face this way, or if you're just kind of relaxing, or if you're trolling or fishing or something, you can sit right here and watch what's going on behind the boat. Here at the helm, this is our joystick piloting right here. Standard's going to be digital throttle and shift. This is our sky hook as well. Autopilot's built in. We do have GPS, radar, fish finder, and your Mercury vessel view. Garmin VHF radio, and I didn't mention the engines have about 275 hours. Generator's about 170 hours. But as you go down inside the cabin, this thing's absolutely beautiful. Whaler's done a great job with the layout and the woodwork. This one does have the blue LED lighting. Now, these things right here, you can actually have it like this and the table in the up position, and if you're going to spend the night on the boat or something like that, they come inside and make a berth. Boat also has your comforter for the front, comforter for the aft cabin. If you want to come on down real quick, on our starboard side, you get dedicated storage area for your fishing rods, keep them nice and safe. Fully enclosed head right here with dockside discharge and overboard discharge. It does have a water heater. The aft cabin is very, very spacious down there. Tremendous amount of room because of the beam on the boat. You do have a great stereo too, your Fusion stereo with amplifier. So to recap, really, really nice boat, 2017, still under factory warranty, located here at MarineMax in Venice. 345 COnquest, triple 350 Verados. The engines were also just serviced, so it's pretty much ready to go. So if you're shopping around for a 345, you definitely want to put this one on your list. Again, it's Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. Feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.